Hi guys, Martin the Vlogger here from NOBS3, because there is no bullshit for our three-wheelers. Today, brand new product. It's called ST1 Rear Seat Rack, and it turns our F3s, F3, F3S, F3S Special Series, Daytona, any F3, not the limited, but every basic F3 into a touring beast. So whoever is like me, whoever likes to ride one up and likes to do bigger tours, crazy tours, you can have this big aftermarket case right behind you. So our ST1 Rear Seat Rack turns the area behind the rider, so the passenger area, into a touring option. So what is this upgrade about? What are the advantages? Where you can buy it? What to look forward to, because it's our own product, our signature product. So we will be adding more features. You'll find out everything in today's video. So enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. How to do this video? Let me tell you what was the initial idea, why we are using the space right behind the rider, how it is built, what kind of advantages it has, what are the limits, and what it is compatible with, because there are many things that you can have on the bike and still use this. So let's start with one thing, and it's the main thing. That's the only rack, I believe, as far as I know, in the world, that goes above the passenger seat. There are some solutions that goes behind the passenger seat, but I didn't like those. Many riders of F3s are single riders, right? We are just one up, and this is way more cooler. It doesn't interfere with your rear lights, so when you have rack too far, the visibility of your rear lights, it's limited. And the center of gravity is not that much at the back, and it's way much cooler to have it over the passenger seat, or you can have a monoseat cowl. It will work with that as well. Talking about the unique solution, this product, it's patent pending, protected already by Martin the Vlogger, so that's a very cool thing. And it's built in Europe. I'm super proud of it. So it's built in Slovakia. My brand, it's no bullshit from Slovakia, NOBS3. So we are building it here from high quality materials. At the moment, this is from aluminium in order to keep the weight lower, but high quality aluminium, badass. The sides are from steel. All is powder coated, protected against rust, so great quality. Are you surprised by this? I'm well-sized dude, all right? So are you surprised by this? I don't think so. You're surprised by this. So it can cope up with a lot. Highly hypothetically, I was on the road, my private road, going 200 kilometers an hour, which is what, 120 to 125 miles per hour. No problem whatsoever, even with the big case behind me. What are some cool features? The cool features are that, of course, it's hold on a bracket on the side, but you can have shed bags on the side, the original ones, or from our shop. You don't have to have them. You can have, maybe I have it. Oh yeah, maybe you can have bungee buttons in case you have them. You can be without them. It's absolutely fine. What I like about it, the beast is everything about being cool. So in case you are not riding like long distance and you don't want to have this there, to be honest with you, I don't remove it from the beast anymore because I'm just always riding with it. But you can do this sit-up within 4 bolts and 2 minutes, and you will just keep this bracket in there that nobody sees really. So that's super cool. What is also cool, that the compatibility, right? I already told you about the side bags, so you can have it, you don't have to have it, it's up to you. It works with OEM backrest. It works with aftermarket backrest, so also that is not an issue. It works with this regular seat. Also, whoever has cannonball seat, the higher one, I even don't know why would you have it, but in case you have it, it will work with that. It will work with a monoseat cowl as well. So that's, I believe it, about compatibility. So it doesn't work with F3 limited top case. Obviously, why not? But I think it should work. We haven't tested it, but it should work with F3T, so without the top case, in case somebody would like to have it for that. But it works for all F3 models like this, all product years. It's a plug and play. Installation is like 30 minutes. Now, we use it with SHAD SH58. You can buy it on our shop with the bag or without. It's your call. So like this. By the way, mine is actually a prototype. We are testing super light version. I was actually standing on it. It's aluminum. I told you that other one, it's steel and aluminum. We'll have a super light option for whoever wants to go super light. It's aluminum and aluminum. Anyway, that's the version, steel and aluminum, that we are selling at the moment. It will work with this SH58, but it's designed from rider like me for riders, right? So we are ready. It has a lot of openings and it's ready for many different aftermarket mounts for hard bags or soft bags, whatever. So it has a lot of openings. It also has an opening here and there for, we have noticed that every bike is a little bit different, so you can position it very smoothly, so the installation is very easy. Apart from like openings from holding dog boxes, bags, whatever you want, it has holes here, so you can actually position the rack forwards and backwards as you like. It also has a lot of openings for bungees and different styles, so that's a great thing. So you can put also a tent on top of the bag, on top of the thing. It's also prepared, because I like to complicate things, so it's prepared for bottle holders. It's prepared for our flag holders that we will bring hopefully shortly. It's prepared for toolbox. Have I said it to you? Right now I'm traveling, like why I'm using this is because at the front I'm usually carrying spare battery and some tools. You know what? Just to show you, I'm not lying. So spare battery, sun cream because Katka likes to protect me, some spare tools, all of this. It's like a maintenance area. Sides I'm using for my clothes, and this thing I'm using for if I'm on the long distances, right, long days, many day tours. You know that I'm running the coolest tour and rental agency in the world, toursonthread.com. I like to keep here sometimes my helmet or raincoats, extra jackets, my shorts, flip-flops. Yeah, so that's the reason how we use it. So this bag, this area, it's prepared for many aftermarket holders, and toolbox. I have started there. I almost lost it. So toolbox, it's something that we would like to, I will not tell you how and where, but we want to prepare also toolbox because there is a spare area for that. So there will be a toolbox for your screwdrivers, even maybe we'll be able to fit in the battery and stuff like that. So stay tuned on that. I told you it's patent protected, so you can buy it only on NOBS3. Well, we are rebranding. It's gonna happen in, I don't know when you are watching this video, but it will happen around December 25, January 26. So right now you can buy it only on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. We ship worldwide. To be super honest with you, I like to be honest. We have option as buy it as a rack or buy it together as a bundle with SHAD. If you are overseas, buy it as a rack because it's better for you. If you are in Europe, we have good prices on the SHAD. But if you are overseas, buy it as a rack and buy yourself a SHAD. My recommendation, this big ass SH58X, also with inner bag. You will love it. Guys, hopefully I have told you everything. I have told you advantages. Is there any disadvantage? No. So I have told you that. I have told you what it is compatible with, where it is made, who is the owner, who is the producer. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And remember, in case you like that rack, in case you like that idea, go and buy it from Martin the Vlogger. And remember, always have fun.